Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Saeco Xelsis with us in the shop. And I have the machine off for a specific reason. Is because when the machine came in, you would turn it on, the machine would do its checks. Pretty much what that means is it'll go one by one through the machine, making sure all the parts of the machine are fine. And if something pops up, it gives you an error code. So when this machine would originally turn on, when they brought it in and when I tested it, it'll start doing the checks, and then it'll land on a water error code, which is, I don't exactly remember what number it was. I forgot. Which water code could be quite a few things. It could be a water pump issue. It could be priming issue. It could be, flow meter issue, and which it ended up being a flow meter issue. I have the original one right here. So this is what a flow meter looks like. This is right before the water pump. And it's connected to wire, two hoses, one of them going to the water pump, one of them going to your water tank. And this pretty much allows the machine to pull in water. It tells the machine when to pull in water. Since you don't have like a turn on pump button, you need one of these. And so, yeah, so we're gonna turn it on and see how it works. Now that we've replaced it with a brand new one, it's gonna go into heating. And you're gonna hear a few things move maybe, and oh yeah, and we're online. So we're gonna test brewing a shot with this machine. We're gonna do espresso. We're gonna do quite strong just so we get a little dark, and then a double shot just so we can do 2 shots. I do have old coffee in here, so don't worry about that if it doesn't come out with too much, crema or anything like that. Don't worry, it's just old coffee. This is the coffee we use to test all our machines, and so. Yeah, we're just going to brew 2 shots, which means it's going to grind twice just to make sure. And then we're going to turn it off and look at the rinsing feature just to make sure that everything that has to do with water is working fine and normal. We also did a tune-up on this machine. What a tune-up consists of. We take out the brew unit and we replace this gasket right here. This is your original gasket. This is supposed to be red, as you can see. A lot of coffee after a while. You regularly need to change these every 2 years, 3 years. But we took that out. Deep cleaned the entire brew unit, soaking it fully in coffee detergent. And after we did that, we replaced your valve that goes into your brew unit. This right here, this is what gives your brew unit water. As you can see, that orange, yellow is what your original gasket is supposed to look like. This one's a little dirty, but in the tune-up, we replaced the entire valve, so you have a brand new one. This is the original one. Also, we descaled your machine, did quite a few back flushing to clean those spouts out. Using Kafiza and just citric acid to descale your machine. Also just cleaned inside the walls and stuff like that, just making sure everything worked properly. Also, while I was in the machine, the grinder let loose the little beans around the lids, or around inside the machine. That's natural. The thing vibrates quite a lot. And so just vacuumed the inside of your machine out a little bit too, after replacing the flow meter since I was already there. Put it back together, and yeah, great looking shot. Nice and dark, can't really see sunlight through it at all. And now we're just gonna watch the rinsing feature just to make sure everything is working proper. Every time you turn this machine off, it remembers that it rinsed itself or needs rinsing. And so since we just brewed quite a few shots, it's just gonna rinse those spouts out. I do recommend cleaning these things with cleaning tablets every now and then. I'm probably going to do another cleaning cycle after this video, just because I use the machine a lot after everything. But yeah, that's about it for this video. If you liked this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.